This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make heterostructures. First, open Vesta and import your initial crystal structure file, typically a CIF or POSCAR. Next, import the second structure into the *same* Vesta window. This ensures both components are available for assembly. You should now see two distinct structures, ready for the next steps in creating your desired interface. Now, let's align your structures. Go to the Edit menu, then Edit Data, and select Unit Cell. Here, you can translate and rotate each structure independently using the transformation matrix. Carefully align the specific crystallographic planes that will form your heterostructure interface. Aim for the best possible alignment to reduce strain and lattice mismatch between the two materials. With alignment complete, it's time to build the interface. Use the boundary function to create supercells for each structure, ensuring their interface areas are compatible. Adjust the cell parameters to achieve a common plane where they will join. You might need to manually delete any overlapping atoms or fill in small gaps to create a clean, continuous interface between the two distinct materials. Finally, review your completed heterostructure carefully. Check for any unexpected bonds or atoms that are too close or too far apart at the interface. Make any necessary fine adjustments to atomic positions or bond lengths to ensure structural integrity. Once satisfied, save your new heterostructure as a CIF or POSCAR file, ready for further analysis or simulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.